In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you're setting up your books or refining your categories, this process will help you keep transactions organized and reports accurate. So let's walk through it together. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click the gear icon, also labeled as Settings. This is your hub for company-level options. From there, under the section called Your Company, click Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the list of all the categories QuickBooks uses to track what you earn, spend, own, and owe. Once you're in, click the New button at the top right. This opens the form to create a new account. Start with the Account Type drop-down. Choose the broad category that fits what you're adding, such as bank for checking or savings accounts, expense for things like subscriptions or utilities, or income for revenue streams. Picking the right account type ensures your transactions flow to the correct financial reports. Next, use the Detail Type drop-down to select the description that best matches your account's purpose. This adds helpful context and can guide how the account is used. If you're unsure, read the short descriptions QuickBooks provides and choose the one that fits most closely. Now enter the name of the account. Keep names clear and consistent, like office supplies, online subscriptions, or business checking. If you want to add extra context for your team, use the description field. It's optional but useful for clarity. You'll also see optional fields for starting balance and as of date. Only enter a starting balance if this account already has a balance you need to bring into QuickBooks. For example, if you're adding a bank account that already has money in it, enter that balance and the date it was accurate. If you're creating a brand new account with no prior transactions, you can leave this blank. When you're done, click Save and Close to finish, or choose Save and New if you're adding multiple accounts in one session. Taking a moment now to set this up properly will make categorizing transactions faster and reporting more insightful later on. That's how you add new accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.